What happens to the body when eating bananas daily? The latest studies indicate the importance of adopting the banana fruit as a routine in the daily food, and these studies focus on the ability of bananas to support the immune system. And bananas have many benefits, including helps reduce the incidence of influenza. According to a 2020 research article published in PNAS, engineered banana lectin, a type of indigestible protein that binds to sugar, has been shown to exhibit influenza-fighting activity against multiple strains of influenza virus, helps reduce the risk of colorectal cancer. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), eating foods rich in resistant starch, such as bananas, may help reduce the risk of colon cancer. According to a 2013 review of research published in Current Opinion in Gastroenterology, resistant starch is effective in reducing inflammation and may help reduce a person's risk of colorectal cancer. And if you want to protect yourself, improves general gut health. The vast majority of immune cells live in your digestive system, which makes gut health of utmost importance when it comes to staying healthy. Fortunately, bananas can help maintain a healthy balance of beneficial bacteria in your gut, giving your immune system a boost. According to a 2017 research article published in the Journal of the American Society for Microbiology and Bio, resistant starch, such as that found in bananas, can help beneficial gut bacteria thrive as well as boost a person's fat metabolism. Get important vitamins for the body. Bananas provide a group of vitamins and minerals that the body needs, such as vitamin B6, as bananas contain about 20% of the daily need for this vitamin, which helps produce insulin, hemoglobin, and important amino acids to create healthy cells. One banana also contains 15% of the body's need for vitamin C, which is an antioxidant vitamin that neutralizes harmful free radicals in the body, also promotes blood vessel health and collagen production, and improves immune system functions to reduce the chances of infection. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all new